How to change hairstyle in FaceApp. Want to see yourself with bangs, curls, or a totally different cut without touching a strand? Here's how to change your hairstyle using FaceApp. First, open the FaceApp and go to Photos and choose the photo from your gallery. Once you choose the photo, you have to make sure that your full hairstyle is visible. Once your photo loads, scroll to the button menu until you see hairstyle. The hairstyles is right here, tap on it. Now FaceApp offers a variety of hairstyles like short, long, bob cut and straight, wavy, and all of the options are right here. Simply tap on a style to preview it instantly on a photo like this. As you can see, the hair has been changed to long. You can change to bob cut. Wow! Super cool. Just like this, you can change it to long, short, straight, wavy, and all. I like the bob cut. Just change it to the one you like and tap on apply. And tap save to download your new look or share it directly on your socials to get instant reaction like this. Share it from here. For best results, use a clear forward-facing photo with your hair pulled back or down naturally. And that's how you test out bold new hairstyles using FaceApp. No scissors required. If you enjoyed this tutorial, smash the like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment with the hairstyle you are trying next. Thank you for watching.